everyone, and welcome to the QuestQuiz. In this video, we challenge you with logo sound and you have to guess logo names with their sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. Can you guess this brand? Good job! It's Oreo. Question 2.
It's first date, second date, 3,000 ain't good.
Perfect! It's KFC.
It's first date, second date, 3,000 ain't good.
Question 3. Can you guess this one? Yes, it's Doritos. Before watching the rest of the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Find the odd one out. Great! The different one is here. Next question.
It's time to break.
Great job! It's Kit Kat.
It's time to break.
Question 6. Bravo! It's Coca-Cola. Which one is the correct logo? Perfect! It is the left one. Can you guess this brand? I love this! It's McDonald's. Question 9. Yes, Pringles. Next question.
Very cheesy deliciousness ahead, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Yes, Cheetos.
Very cheesy deliciousness ahead, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Do you know this brand? Of course, it's Starbucks. Could you recognize this?
A pinch of fun, and finally, a delicious touch.
Yes, Nutella.
A pinch of fun, and finally, a delicious touch.
Which brand does this song belong to?
Crispy, airy, tasty poppables. Stack.
Bingo, it's Lay's.
Crispy, airy, tasty poppables. Stack.
Question 14.
Bold, juicy, beefy, grilled. There's a lot.
Burger King.
Bold, juicy, beefy, grilled. There's a lot.
And final question. If you know this logo, write its name in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel with your friends. See you on the next video.